anything you've seen before, because today you are about to witness some incredible technologies that will surpass even your imagination. Machines made of iron and circuits, artificial intelligence so advanced that it rivals humans, and gigantic monsters that have the power to shake an entire city in just a moment. Whether it's the most unbelievable invention in the history of fishing or the ultimate cannon of the tire industry, every invention today will force you to question your own eyes. If you skip this video, you will miss some of the strangest technologies of your life. So make sure you watch till the end. For those who love fishing, this device is an unbelievable invention. In fact, it is a revolution in the history of fishing. To create bait for predatory fish, this device is inserted into a small fish. Then after hooking it and switching it on, once you drop it into the water, it starts swimming just like a real fish. It moves in a lifelike zigzag motion that looks incredibly real. The sensors and micromotors inside give it such perfect balance and realism that large perch predatory fish mistake it for real prey and attack instantly. For those who get tired of waiting for hours with a fishing rod, this is not just a gadget, it is a powerful hunting companion. The strange machine you see on the screen is the real cannon of the tire industry, known as the bazooka. This is not a weapon of war, but its power is no less than a cannon. When large truck or off-road vehicle tires refuse to properly sit on the rim, mechanics struggle a lot. That is exactly when this beat bazooka comes into action. The compressed air inside it is released with intense pressure into the tire in just a second. This forces the tire to snap perfectly onto the rim. It delivers such a fast and powerful burst of air that within seconds the tire inflates and sets into place. What used to take hours of effort and labor can now be done in just a few seconds. The machine you are seeing now is not a child's toy. It is one of the smallest yet most powerful tractors in the world. Usually when we think of tractors, we imagine massive wheels and a giant engine. But an Italian company has introduced an incredible innovation that is only 65 centimeters wide. Weighing just 500 kilograms, this compact tractor uses a Lombardini engine. It can produce up to 18 horsepower, whether it is steep mountain slopes or narrow vineyard rows. Where large tractors struggle to reach, this tiny machine works like a king. In southeastern China, thousands of wild animals are illegally hunted every year. Poachers secretly sell these animals in the global market. As a result, the country's natural beauty and biodiversity are slowly disappearing. To fight this serious problem, China has introduced an innovative solution. They have created robotic animals that look just like real ones. They have built deer, bears, foxes, and many other robotic creatures. Each robotic animal is equipped with hundreds of sensors and high-quality cameras. Whenever a poacher makes a move, the robot detects it instantly. It sends a signal to the control room, and just like that, the poacher is caught red-handed. The small cute dog you see on the screen, thinking of it as just a toy would be the biggest mistake of your life, because this is not a plastic doll, but one of the smartest robots made of metal and circuits. Its name is Hangboard Sirius. Weighing just 1 kilogram, this tiny robotic dog can sit on your palm and wag its tail. It understands your gestures and can even cheer you up when you are feeling down. It has 14 high-speed motors that give it incredible speed and balance. When you return home, it will greet you with excitement just like a real pet would. Hold tight, because what you are about to see is not a Hollywood animation, but a real-life mechanical giant. The French company La Machine is showcasing some of the most incredible robots in the world. Machines that feel like something out of a fairy tale. You will be especially amazed by this massive monster-like robot. Standing 15 meters tall, when it walks down the street, you can actually feel the ground shake, and the smoke coming out of its nose makes it look like an angry beast breathing heavily. But the surprises do not end here. In their domain, you will find 21 different types of terrifying dragons. These have been made so realistic and fierce that when flames burst from their mouths and noses, the surrounding air heats up. If you step into their resting area, you will feel like you have entered a world from 200 million years ago. A place filled with giant dinosaurs and monstrous creatures everywhere. Not just that, their collection also includes ancient Titanoboa snakes, 24-ton giant spiders, and massive scorpions that will make you scream in fear.